Hello students, welcome back to CLARIconcepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today in this lecture, we will be talking about the numerical examples, mainly looking at the pressure variation in the static fluid, particularly in the vertical direction, right? So let's go back to the numericals. So very first numerical I have is, an open tank contains water up to a depth of 2 meter and above it an oil of specific gravity 0.9 for a depth of 1 meter. Now see, here what is given to you? Firstly, an open tank that contains water up to a depth of 2 meters. That means I have a tank and water up to a depth of 2 meters, for example, right? And above it, an oil of specific gravity 0.9 for a depth of 1 meter. So above this water, there is an oil, layer of an oil up to a depth of 1 meter, right? And this oil has specific gravity of 0.9, right? So let me just write down the given data. I have been given specific gravity of oil as 0.9. Okay. Find the pressure intensity, number 1, at the interface of the two liquids. That means somewhere over here. Okay. And at the bottom of the tank, that means somewhere over here, for example. So let me mark 3 points. One is point number 1, 2 and 3. So my target is to find the pressure at point number 2 and pressure at point number 3. Alright. So what I will do? Firstly, I know that if I want to measure a pressure at point number 2, I must have a pressure at just a point above it, right? So if you talk about point number 1, this is open, right? So it is exposed to atmospheric pressure. So I can say P1 is equals to P atmospheric. And if you take the gauge value of this pressure, it is 0 Pascal, right? The atmospheric